Here's where you can turn off the keyboard key press sound and the keyboard key press vibration. This is for the Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard on Android devices. The fastest way to these settings is, let's say you're about to start typing. Then your keyboard shows up like this here. You want to tap on these three dots at the top right, these right here. And when you do this, you'll see these options. You'll go to where it says Settings. And under the settings section here now, you're going to look for where it says sound and vibration. There's a dedicated spot for that. So go here and you're going to see sound and vibration. So basically you can choose to leave them on and simply adjust the sound loudness of the press for your keys or the vibration as well, okay? However, you will be able to also disable them, and you'll also be able to turn it off from here. Okay, so if you turn off the Android one, this is using your phone's vibration. So if this is on, you're still gonna get that vibration, but that's gonna be for the keyboard setting itself. So you wanna make sure they're both turned off so that you won't get any vibration feedback or sound feedback, like and so.